They're back there in that tree line, do you?
Yeah.
Is that the gator?
Yeah, there's a gator right there. But the other team is probably along that tree line. We can cut down and then go across. And they can't see us because of the hill, but they'll have the high ground. You want to do?
Yeah. Where's that tree stand at?
It's back there in their base pretty much.
Yeah, there shouldn't be anywhere through here. Hey, you think we can get up behind that log?
Maybe. I doubt it though. It's really steep right there. Right here, right where this crest is, we can hide behind that for a little while, scope it out. And that ridge along where the field is plowed. Hide in there, hide in the tall grass.
See anything?
No, I'm just making sure. Oh!
You see that?
Yeah, I did. I think that's Zach.
Oh, fuck it, he's Zach. Oh, fuck, it's Zach.
Alright, we need to get over this crest.
We need to run back.
Yep, no, we need to get over here.
Alright.
It'll be a good point.
First, go.
Whoosh. What?
Ready?
Go. Alright, come. Yep. They know we're here.
Do they?
Yeah.
Are they shooting?
Yep, they were shooting. They're over there at that entrance where Zach was. I'm watching over here off to the right.
What do you want to do?
We can keep on going to that bush that's over here in front of me.
Down here.
Yeah,
Are they all up there?
yeah, pretty sure. If not, we could get cornered.
We need to go back up there to
Excuse
get behind
me?
that shed.
Alright, we can. I don't know though, it
Here.
might be bad.
Here, you run first and I'll guard you.
Alright, hold on. I think we need to move up. We need
Which
to
way?
push and rush, whatever you want to call it. Because if we can take over their base, they'll keep on coming in and we can just kill them over and over.
Shit, I hear him talking.
Get down.
Oh, fuck. Dude, they're all back there. Gavin's laying down right next to Zach, right behind him.
Alright.
Zach's gonna rush him, I heard him. I'm gonna crawl up.
Alright, I got your 6 and stuff covered. If you see a big Wookiee walking across the field, that would be Spencer. With a sniper.
Oh shit, they're shooting.
Alright. They can't reach us from down here. So
Oh, fuck, they're still shooting. They're rushing.
here?
Yeah, they're rushing.
Oh god.
I saw a Wookiee rush.
Alright, you wanna move? Go. Alright, run. Shit. What?
Mitchell, I'm gonna run back to the shed.
Alright.
Mitchell, here. Gordon, I'm gonna run back, okay?
Alright.
I'll guard you. You ready?
Go. They're shooting.
somewhere up there.
I know. I can see one of them.
Where?
Spencer, come here.
Where?
See way over on the tree line? Oh, there's one tree that's really curved. See him moving?
Oh yeah.
Two of them, too. There's two of them.
Holy shit, you want a bullet?
Yep. The wind. Which is an advantage for both teams.
There you go. I think we should go around this way. Who's up there right now?
That's Alex and them. They're coming down to help. We're gonna try to rush too.
I think we should go up there next time. Or they should rush down here. We should rush up there.
See, I figured it the other way around. It was Zach, Gavin, and one other person with another gun.
Hey, they're all. There's two of them right there. One's right in the middle. Really? Yeah.
Yeah, there's two way on the end. It's Spencer and some other kid sniping. It's probably Gavin too.
So, you guys have fully automatic weapons?
He does. Me and him. We can rush, and then you and
No,
Christian.
what we're gonna do, Mitchell? We're gonna go to the bush.
What bush?
That's what I just came back from there. They didn't shoot at me, but they were shooting whenever we were moving.
That's where they're going.
Yeah, they're all looking over here.
So, are they in the tree?
Tree line, but I don't think they're in that tree.
Do they know we're here?
Yeah, they know.
We've been shooting back at them.
They can't reach us, and we can't reach them. He might be able to, but I don't know.
I think
No.
me and Mitchell should go around. You guys should try to flank this way.
What?
See, we can go up to his shed, distract them.
And to that tree, you know, right there, do you think you could, like, scout and look?
Oh, we know where they are already.
Like, exactly?
Yeah. They're all right there in the tree line. Two of them are at the far end, two of them are in the middle.
Okay, so,
Where's the other one? There's 5.
Yeah, no, I don't know. I didn't see that person, but I saw the other 4.
Alright, so this one, I'm gonna rush up this way. I'm gonna go up to the shed, see if I can see anyone up there.
I'm gonna back them up over there.
Yeah,
You guys
you
rush
two
over
just-
here.
Either stay down here or try to go down in that bush.
I think I see one.
Alright, hold on. I need to get it better.
Yeah.
If you can, if you want, you guys can see what you'll do. I can run up there, and you can see the tree. So, I'm gonna go and I can try to come up
Remember, we can do a suicide mission, find out where they were, because we all have 3 lives.
there. The thing is, once you get shot, you gotta sit down and wait.
Shit, I forgot about that, because then somebody has to go in and revive you, where you took an hour yesterday and gave up. Oh crap, I just heard a sniper. Get down, get down, get down.
He's dead. There ain't no way.
Dude, what?
There ain't no way. Who is that?
That's Zach. He's over that crest. Alright, we need to push for that shed right now, Austin. Alright, we'll cover you. Watch over there, guys. Watch over there. They can come up and circle us. Just get down and look over there. Alright, we need to bug out like right now. Considering Zach got that close to us. And he's right there.
Are you shooting at us?
Huh?
Are you shooting at us?
No, not yet. I don't see anybody.
Wait, which speed remote is that? Alright.
If only we had Thunderbee grenades.
Alright, here. You need some ammo?
What?
Yeah. Or are you good?
Hey, look over. Is it clear?
Where did that come in?
I don't know, they went back toward the entrance of the woods.
Are they behind the shed?
No, they're not. I looked. There's nobody behind the shed.
Alright, Mitchell. I'm gonna rush up through there.
Alright.
Guard me.
Alright, I'm gonna come with you.
You think they're still behind that hill?
I heard Carson shoot. He said,
Yeah, maybe.
hey,
Yeah.
let's all push through the shed and then...
No, because then they'll get us all and nobody will be able to revive. We need you two to stay down here. Try to get their attention. Go to that bush and get their attention.
Dude, I don't think we can do that because...
You can do it.
You got it. Just go behind that bush and see.
Wait,
It's good cover behind that bush.
you guys should stay right here and cover us.
We're gonna try to rush where Zach was going, because we know he's up there, so if we can knock him out quick.
Wait, if two are down there, too, right?
Yeah.
Or down there and down there.
Over there by where the
Trees?
tree stand is.
Yeah. See if you guys can just get behind that bush and try to shoot up that way.
Just distract him and we'll go up
Yeah.
here. Right, we can move from tree to tree once we get up to the shed.
Okay.
It's okay cover, but not the best. Making sure Zach doesn't come. Zach come close.
I know he's really close.
I love how every time he gets an automatic, he just hip fires. Because he did that with Year and 4 last year. They're just getting their attention. It's good. I hope.
Watch our route. Where'd he go?
I don't know. I think he went running back into the entrance. Because there's multiple entrances here and there. There's one up here that's not the best. And then there's one main one where there's a wooden plank going across a little thing.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, hit.
I don't know. Let's go to the shed now. Hold on. Wait. I don't want to shoot anybody in the face with my M4 accidentally. Alright, it's clear. We can rush toward the gator. Or whatever it is. Hilarious. Yeah, that's all I had. I had the Gatorade from yesterday still in my vest.
See anybody?
No. That's why I'm moving up.
We need to go to this tree line.
Yep. Can't go too far because of the house though. Alright.
What do you?
I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
He's out. He's out.
Okay. That's Spencer.
Hey, I need to adjust this.
Alright, go ahead. Huh? Alright. He went back toward it. They went back toward his base. Yeah, but since he's in his base, I mean, might as well. Alright, he's gonna move. That's less cover for us.
People right there on the plane here.
What?
Oh, no.
We're just doing a game. Never had that happen before. Right. What I figure is we need to move because Spencer, since he got shot, he's gonna tell his teammates where we are.
That Spencer?
Mm-hmm. Spencer was the one that we shot. This is where we really need walkie-talkies.
Yeah, no. You want to try to get into the tree line?
We can try, but I think we get pinched as soon as possible.
Huh?
Because I bet they're watching because Spencer got hit.
What are they doing?
Oh my god.
We're all gonna get flanked.
We're all gonna get hit, and then nobody will be there to revive.
You stay back there. You should have. Oh, watch out, watch out. Oh, I hit him in the head. Hey, I'm still shooting.
I think that was Spencer
Still shooting
again.
high. Watch out.
Alright, alright.
Hey, watch out. There's a guy coming up on our left. Look around the corner.
Alright, I'm watching. Okay, they're way back there at the tree, or at the shed. See anybody? It's hard to see over these.
Can I crawl through here?
What, there?
Yeah.
It goes into somebody's yard. just hit me in the head with your muzzle. Oh my god, that hurt.
Where they at? Where they at?
Okay, picture. Zach ran way down in that hole where you first got me in the head.
Okay.
Remember?
Yeah. Over down there by the bush?
Yeah.
Alright.
So they could pop up anywhere and get us.
Okay. Well, I need you guys
Hey,
to fall back.
Hey! Get down!
Don't yell! Don't yell!
Hey, you guys need to run back down to the fort and try to flank them since we got their attention.
Get to the shed. Because if Zach flanks us
We're
and gets
all
all of
dead.
us, we're all screwed.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, run. Try to get their attention. See any way?
No. I can't see anybody. I know they're watching up here though.
What do you think we should do?
I don't know right now.
I think I got somebody.
Alright.
Right in front of us.
Where at?
I think someone's laying down that bush.
Probably is the person. Probably Spencer.
I wonder why this gun's shooting so high.
Probably because you changed up the barrel.
That's pretty good right there. That far away.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Now they're gonna be focusing all their attention on us because Alex fired and yelled.
What do you want to do?
What is he saying?
Alex! Down there? Huh? I think the Jack's down there.
Alright.
Oh! Jack.
Where?
Watch yourself.
What?
Somebody's trying to shoot.
What? Alright. Wait. I think I just saw movement. See that big tree that you shot just a minute ago?
Yeah.
Right next to it. Thought I saw, Spencer. What?
I see somebody right there. What you said?
Alright. It's probably Spencer.
Hey, you want to try to go to that tree line?
We can try once we get this person out. It's not a very good idea, but
Somebody's been trying to revive him.
yeah, I know. If he's moving, that means that Zach's probably over there. Polaris, the player. I bet if he's moving, then Zach's over there.
Are they behind that thing?
Yeah, they're probably on the other side of the shed or on the right side. You good on ammo?
Yeah.
Alright. I don't really carry any extra ammo besides the ones on my clips. Can't see anybody?
No. I'll go for right now. I'm going to try to move up.
Alright. I'm watching on the left because they can sneak up to the sides. What? Wait. Crap, they just came off from the side. They're watching. Alright, we need to get in there. Somehow. Not good noise. He's right there at the edge. Off to the edge. Watch. You'll see. He'll poke his little barrel out again. I know he will. Alright, see that right there? That little gap? That's where we're gonna go into.
See Zach?
No. Oh, wait. I just saw his head. I see him. I think. Here, I'll cover you. Yeah, that's Zach. Oh, shit. That went way up.
We need to get in that tree line, dude.
Mm-hmm.
You see anybody?
No, if we can get in there, we'll be good. But Spencer, he poked his little head out over here.
He saw me. He saw me. He saw me.
What, Zach?
Yeah.
Is he coming?
No.
Alright, good.
He's trying to come up.
Wait, I can see somebody moving. Shit, there's too much tree.
Where's it?
Shit. Frick. The worst time. I need you to cover me. I'm dry. Uh-oh. Don't be jammed. Nope, I'm good. I saw somebody moving like right at year 12. And I think it might have been Gavin.